In this video, I'm going to be going over PAS, also known as Problem Amplify Solution or Problem Agitate Solution. And what it is one of the best cold outreach email frameworks that you can use because it is logical and simple. And actually, let me just break it down for you. So number one, you're going to want to identify the problem, and you're going to want to do it quick in the email because these people get a lot of offers, a lot of spam, a lot of people pitching them in one day. So you're going to do it quick, and pitching the right service will get 100% of their attention. And let's say it's a website you're trying to pitch them about. You can speak about how you tried to search it up and you couldn't find one. So, they're missing out on leads or clients. Or let's say you're trying to automate their task. Speak about how much time they could be saving if they automated it or if they had your help. And that leads us to number two, amplify how they feel about it. So make them feel how they would feel if they didn't have it, if they didn't have your product or service. For example, the automating one, make them feel like they're wasting so much time doing that when they could automate it easily and focus on something else in the business. They could be doing something else, and this part's pretty much the turning point. They either keep reading or they close the email and delete it forever. So this is one of the most important parts of the email. The whole thing's important, but this part is important because this is the turning point. So you've already identified the problem, but that's not enough. Why should they feel as though they need it now? Amplify their feeling about it. Amplify why they need it right now and what would happen if they didn't get it right now. So you're gonna want to be creative with this part. And then after that part, you're gonna want to give the solution, so you have identified their problem and now they feel as though they need it right now, or else X might occur, or else something that they don't want to occur might happen if they don't get your service or your product right now. This is your real pitch. So will you solve their problem and why should they trust you? This is the perfect line to add whatever you provide and your previous experience with solving similar issues. And when I say give them the solution, I don't mean the whole thing, I mean some of it. You want to add that extra line at the end that says sounds worth learning more, or like maybe we can chat about it, or do you want to learn more? Something like that. So they have to respond. They don't get all the value in one email, definitely not. They have to go over a call and you're going to try to close them there. This is the perfect email that I found going over the PAS framework. It identifies the problem perfectly, it amplifies it perfectly, and it even gives a solution, which is their service or their product, this email is extremely good. So definitely take a screenshot of this. And this is the exact email framework that I use to pitch businesses to automate tasks for them using this software, Check AI. And these are some examples on the left side. So you can find the software down below, and make sure to subscribe if you liked the video, comment, like, and see you guys in the next one.